This is a final video to fix Dragon's Dogma 2 black screen issues and crashing. And if you've been staring at a blank screen or your game keeps closing, you're not alone. This usually happens because of outdated drivers, missing game files, or conflict with your system settings. And while many guides online are long, confusing, or full of steps that don't work, I'm going to share a secret easy trick that actually fixes it fast. So here's what you do. Make sure your graphics drivers are updated. Verify the game files through your launcher and apply a simple configuration tweak that stops the crashes and black screen immediately, all explained in a way even a beginner can follow. And here at Rexus, we keep it simple so you don't waste hours. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial on this method, drop a comment below and we'll guide you through every single step.